Welcome back to another video from
University.
Boom! Alright, we got a new video today. What we're gonna do is one of us is going to crawl around or walk like a certain animal, and then everyone else has to guess it. So who wants to go first?
Me!
Alright, Penelope, let's see. So we have to guess what Penelope is doing.
Most animals walk like the same thing.
Let's see. I don't think so. One more time. She's scurrying really fast. So what are animals that are really fast? And she was low to the ground, so probably a small animal. Was it a mouse?
Yeah.
Yes! A mouse. Okay, I'll go next. Alright?
Okay.
It's a bear. Alright, what do you have next? Graham's up next. Yes. Grammy, what are you? Oh, Grammy. Do it again. Let's see what it is.
Oh, I know.
What is it?
A frog.
Yes, you were saying a ribbit, so it is a frog. But frogs, show us how a frog moves. There you go. Because frogs jump up and down, so it's like a, that's what they say, frog. Okay, now my next. Yes, very good. Yes.
Wow.
A zombie?
No.
I don't know.
I was trying to do a giraffe because it looks cute.
Oh, a giraffe?
Let's do
Yeah, giraffe, I can see it. Definitely. Okay, here I've got another one. Okay, Graham's turn. Oh, a jaguar. Okay, here's my next one.
Oh, an elephant.
Very good.
That's obvious.
All right, here's my next one.
What? You just went. A snake?
A snake, yes.
Can you do sea animals?
Yeah, you can do all types of things. Goosey's turn.
Wait. Wow, snake.
Oh,
Oh, an alligator?
crocodile? Yes.
Crocodile.
A crocodile.
They're basically the same thing.
They're pretty similar. Do you know what are some differences? They live together? I thought one of them lived in the ocean or saltwater. They both chomp. Let's say Grammy go.
Look at a frog.
What's he doing? Oh, maybe you're doing a toad this time.
No, I'm doing a frog.
A frog? Alright, I bet I know what your next one's gonna be.
I know.
Okay. Oh, a jellyfish? That's really good. Okay. Let's see if I. Oh, my next one.
A crab.
A crab, yes.
You should know.
Oh no, August has another one. What's it gonna be? Oh, that's so good.
That's my.
Do that one up close.
That's my.
Okay. That's an out of control frog. Okay. Does not look like a cow?
No.
Give me another chance then. What about this one?
An iguana?
Yes, it was a lizard. And it was not the best version of it. But tell me, do you want to do one more before we end this video today?
I'm gonna do one more. No.
Okay.
I'm gonna do one more too.
Okay.
A ghost.
A ghost?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a sneaky animal, the ghost. Okay, we can guess there. Alright, you ready? Let's see it.
A jellyfish. No, I'm an octopus.
He's an octopus. That's good. Alright, not bad. Oh, very good. What is it?
Penguin.
Nope.
Oh.
A fishy. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, that is us impersonating some of our favorite animals.
Ouchies.
Let's see if you can come up with some own at
Wait,
home.
wait,
Or,
one more.
yes, a cow, a cat.
Yeah.
It's a cat. We'll see you next time on Movement University. Come up with your own movements at home. Make up your own animals. Share them in the comments what some of your favorite ones are.
Or you can do it at school with your friends at recess.
It's a good idea. See you, everybody.
Bye.